All right, lift that pallet now. Back it up, watch the edge.
The craftsmanship on this jacket is superb.
I agree. The seam work is very precise.
All right, lift it up. Steady now. Got it. Watch the corner of that box. Easy, easy. That's it, you're clear.
Okay, I've got the paperwork signed off for the skins.
We need to adjust the timer on this cycle. All right. Okay, I'll lower the hides in slowly. Is the conveyor belt clear? Almost, watch the hopper. This spike in defects correlates directly with the new tanning process implemented last week.
Are we seeing the same trend in the finishing department data here?
The output is fluctuating too much. Adjust the flow rate.
Okay, dialing it in now. Performance is optimizing. See this discoloration right here? Yes, I see it. I'll note that on the sheet.
Anomaly detected, Sector 7B. Check the pigmentation.
Divert the line.
I see it. Pay close attention to the flow rate indicated on this diagram. We are seeing a bottleneck forming in sector gamma. These targets are ambitious but achievable. 120 finished skins by the end of the day. Let's make sure we maintain quality control.
I think the green option really pops more than the orange.
It feels cleaner and aligns better with the skin aspect of the brand.
Agreed. Let's move forward with the green palette.
Watch the pressure gauge while I run the articulation test.
Pressure is stabilizing. The wrist joint calibration is complete.
This efficient processing line minimizes waste, ensuring maximum utilization of the kangaroo skin.
The hydrogel matrix is performing within projected parameters.
Excellent. Initiate Phase 2 stress testing on the robotic line.
Kangro skin packaging is optimized for shelf life in the Kangro skin factory.
The bar chart clearly shows the positive reception of the moisturizer.
Yes, but inventory levels on the serum are dropping faster than anticipated. I like the lighting on this one, but could we emphasize the naturally nourishing text more?
Sure, let me shift the focus slightly.
This new line utilizes our patented Hydroderm technology, ensuring deep hydration and lasting results you have to feel to believe.
Looks good. Ensure the lapels are perfectly flat for the runway. Already on it. They'll be ready for the lineup shortly.
All right, lift it steady. Watch the starboard side. Clear on the right. Keep it coming up.
The weight on this suede is perfect for the jackets.
Yes, and the grain on the bags feels incredibly durable.